In today's video, I'll show you how to delete products in WooCommerce. As you can see right here, I have multiple copies of the coffee table product. Here's copy 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and delete them. To make this change, first we'll log in the WordPress admin account. Then on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Once you're in the main product list page, there are a few ways how you can delete the product. The first one, just simply hover on the product, and then select trash. As you can notice, that specific product was moved to the trash tab. Alternatively, to delete multiple products at the same time, simply select them, then click on bulk actions, then select move to trash and apply. Now let's click on the trash tab, then select the products, click on bulk actions, delete permanently and apply. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the shop page. And as you can see, 3 duplicate copies of the coffee table product were deleted. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.